Namaste and welcome. Welcome to day 30, and it has been an amazing journey. 30 days of journey felt like such an amazing kickstart to 2026, and I'm super glad you decided to do this for yourself. It feels emotional today, in a good way, to see you practice and also say you goodbye on these 30 days, but that does not mean that we stop or discontinue our practice. It's just a way to get started, kick started from here. So, if this is something that you have tried, I would suggest you to keep going on no matter what day it is, what year it is, because the practice shouldn't stop. Today's practice is going to be a gentle one, appreciating, thanking your body for just being there for you. Let's get seated into a comfortable position, relaxing your shoulders and chest. Just staying there with yourself, thanking your body, thanking your beautiful mind, sharing gratitude towards things that you're surrounded with. Join your palms at heart center. Today, let's chant three sounds of Om together. Inhale. Have a beautiful intention for this day, for this amazing practice. This is just the start of the journey. You're here for yourself and embrace that. Letting go of your past, letting go of your future, staying in this very present moment. Relaxing the hands, take your time, slowly open your eyes. You start with gentle neck rotation. Breathe as you do this. Go slow and embrace the practice. Acknowledge what you feel. Reverse the direction. The slower you go, the better it is. Center. Taking your right hand and just pressing through. Gently tilting your head. Slowly come up. Same sides. Slowly come up. Interlock your fingers and push it under your chin. Inhale, lift up your chin. Exhale, lift up the elbows as you drop your chin down. Inhale. Exhale, open your mouth. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Release, relax your hands, slowly coming into all fours. Take your right palm up towards the ceiling, towards the sky. And slowly thread it through under and just breathe. Close your eyes and allow yourself to stay here in this very present moment. You can also take your left palm behind your back and try to reach for the right thigh. Very slowly release the hands. Take your time to come up. Take your left palm up and thread the hands through, dropping the left shoulder. Keep the shoulder slightly ahead and just breathe. Very slowly release the hands, come back. Going for gentle cat and cow. Inhale, exhale. Allow your body to just breathe through every movement. From here, walk your hands ahead and lie down on your stomach. Come up on your elbows, Sphinx pose, and just hold here. As you stay here in Sphinx pose, press the left palm, lift up the left elbow, and look back. Lower it down. Press the right palm, lift up, and look back. Lower it down. Just stay here. Dropping your chest fully down. Take your left palm straight on the side in line with your shoulders. Turn your head towards the right side. Listen to the floor from your left ear. Lift your right leg up and drop it on the left side, relaxing the right hand, relaxing your face, turning as much as you can to allow that body to stretch. Just feel that breath in your shoulders. Slowly take your palms up to the sky, right palm only, and try to reach back towards the left palm. Breathe. Slowly reverse, return down. Come on your chest. Turn your head to the left side. Straighten the right hand on the right. Lift the left leg and drop it behind on the right side. Take your left palm up and take it back towards the right. Slowly return it back. Lie down on your forehead. Slowly push back into child's pose from here. Open your knees wide and let your chest drop. As you stay here, pushing your hips down, walk your hands all the way ahead and walk both the palms together on the right side, keeping the head in between. Slowly come back, center. And slowly walk to the left side. Gently walking the hands back. Slowly coming up on all fours. Stepping your knees in the front and sit on your hips. Take your left knee to your chest, hug it nicely, lift up your spine and look back. And just breathe. Slowly come back and change sides. Slowly coming back to the front, stretching and lengthening from your spine, walking your hands ahead, and release your neck and melt into a forward bend. Keep your knees slightly bent if you need to, so you can feel the stretch on your hamstrings. Very slowly walking back up. Hug your knees to your chest. Share your gratitude towards your practice, towards this beautiful life. Gently relax and take your time to lie down on your mat. Take your time in your relaxation and have a wonderful day. Namaste.